Okay, go to the police. Go to the police.
Okay.
Go to the police.
Okay, go police. Go police.
50,000.
No. 50.
IDR.
$50. No, $50.
No.
Sir, can you let us out, please?
Well, you need to let us out of the car.
What?
Can you let us out?
You need to let us out of the car. You didn't even bring us to our location. No, let us out of the car.
No.
Right,
Let
I'm
us out of the
calling
car.
right now.
No.
I'm calling.
Call the police.
Okay, call the police.
Yes.
No police, no police, no police.
Hello? Excuse me.
Sir, let us out.
I'm gonna go to that policeman over there right now.
Let us out.
Call. Yeah.
Let us out. Sir, let us out. If you don't, let us out and I'll give you money. Okay? You let us out, I'll give you some money.
Okay.
Let us out.
You let us out right now.
Okay.
I'm gonna call the U.S.
Yeah,
Embassy.
1 minute, just police.
I'm gonna call the cops.
Okay, go to Potato at 50.
Get us out!
Help!
Help! Get us out right now. Drop us out right now.
Let us out right now.
50.
Let
Come.
us out right now.
Okay, Potato at
Let us
50,000.
out. No.
Potato at
No!
Get us
Let us
out.
out of the car.
50,000.
No. No.
Get us out. I'm done.
You're gonna hit us?
Are you
Ah,
kidding?
50,000.
No! Get us out.
Potato at 50,000.
Get us out.
50,000 what?
Let us
IDR?
out of this
IDR?
car.
Yes, okay.
Let us out of the car!
Oh my God! Sir, please.
We'll give you 50,000 if you let us out of the car.
Yeah, 50,000.
Okay, let us.
No, we're not
Let us
going to
out
Potato
first.
Head with you.
Okay.
No, let us out of the car.
Okay. Sir, how? Sir, please let us out. I'll give you money right now, but you just let us out, okay?
Okay. Come.
50,000. Let us.
Okay, sir.
Let us out of the car.
I'll give you money. I'll give you money. Okay.
Let us out of the car.
Okay, sir, I'll give you money.
Please. Let us out of the car, please.
Sir, okay, I'm gonna give him money.
Give him the 50,000.
Okay.
Let us out, please.
$50. No, $50.
Do you have?
I don't have 50.
Wait.
$50.
Just give him whatever we have.
$50.
We'll give you whatever we have.
$50.
I don't have 50 USD.
No, $50.
Here, just give him whatever you have.
Okay, here. Is that okay?
What?
Let us out.
$100, okay?
More.
That's all we have.
Okay.
Let us out, please. Get out. Help! That guy just threatened us with a knife. He threatened us with a knife.
Yeah,
That
with a
taxi
knife.
driver threatened us with a knife.